Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of SMC DAO tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to move your Wikicat tokens from Hotbit and into your Lbank. Hotbit announced on the 22nd of May 2023 regarding their shutdown of all CEX operations. They further noticed all users to remove their remaining assets from Hotbit before 4 a.m. on the 21st of May 2023. So this video will show you how to do that, moving your Wikicat to your Lbank. First, click right here on your Lbank and click on Wallet. Alright, so we want to search for Wikicat. Click right here on the search bar and search WKC. Shows up right there. Click on Wikicat and click on deposit. Choose the network BEP20 BSC and copy this address right here. So go all the way back to our Hotbit and click on fund. Ensure that your Wikicat is in your funding wallet and not in your spot wallet so that you'd be able to withdraw. To move your Wikicat from your spot wallet to your funding wallet, click on transfer, change the token type to WKC, and toggle between spot account and funding account. Ensure your spot account is up and your funding account down, and then press all so you can transfer all your Wiki. I've already transferred mine to my funding wallet, so I'll just keep showing you how to move it to your Lbank. Click on your funding wallet right here. Ensure you have up to 6.2 USDT for the withdrawal fee of this transaction. I'll click right here on Wikicat and on withdraw. Add the withdrawal address if you haven't already done it. Paste the address that you had copied from your Lbank, and remark could be Lbank WKC. Confirm. I've already added this wallet to mine, so I'll just keep showing you how to do it. If you already have the address added to yours, click right here and Lbank WKC shows up there. Click on all of your Wikicat to be transferred out, and your fee method, you can either choose BNB or USDT, but I'm using USDT for mine, so I'll click on USDT and I will click on withdraw. I'm putting your login password and your email verification code. Confirm, and your withdrawal is successful. So if you come right back to your Lbank and go to your wallet, you see that the Wikicat has dropped right in here. If it hasn't dropped immediately, just wait some time and it will eventually drop. Thank you for being a part of this video. I hope it has been of help to you. Click right there on the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be the first to get any of our tutorial videos. See you next time.